Sameer, a rather cold evening for you to join us in the outdoors in Delhi. Tell us what is really turning cold for Ola Electric now?
So, Karnataka High Court has refused to grant any relief to Ola Electric in the ongoing probe by CCPA. There has been more than 10,000 complaints that has been registered before the National Consumer Helpline number between July till August 2024 related to the problems with the electric two-wheelers of Ola Electric, and based on which CCPA initiated the investigation, had sent a show cause notice to Ola Electric. But now if you see the development which has now come to Karnataka High Court as well. So there is an ongoing case where Karnataka High Court has categorically said that Ola Electric has to furnish the additional documents as asked by the investigating officer appointed by CCPA. So the counsel from the Ola Electric side, they have raised two important things. First is that the investigating officer is not competent, it is not to the appropriate rank or level. So these additional documents should not be given to the investigating officer. And the second point that was raised by the counsel from the Ola Electric side, that the furnish of the document will tarnish the image, will bring a bad repute to the company and also to the owner. But on these particular things, the High Court has said that no, the investigating officer is competent and well within the Consumer Protection Act and has been appointed by CCPA. So the additional document has to be furnished to the investigating officer, point number one. Point number two, it has been said that till the investigation is going on, the High Court has mentioned that no officer from CCPA side will make any statement or will give any media bite or will come in public domain and give a statement. So that sort of order has also been given from the Karnataka High Court. But the important and the big development is that relief has not been granted by Karnataka High Court. The investigation will go on, and CCPA has said that once the entire investigation will be completed, then they will come to a conclusion. So definitely things are not going appropriate, not going good for the Ola Electric.
This contentious issue as far as the complaints go, I just wanted to ask you what Ola's stance is on this. In terms of its defense, what exactly is the company saying?
So there are two important things that they have raised in the High Court. First is that they said that the investigating officer is not at the appropriate rank or level. They mentioned a certain clause from the Consumer Protection Act, for which the Karnataka High Court judge has specifically mentioned that no, the Act says that the investigating officer appointed by CCPA is competent enough. It is at the rank of senior director, and it has been appointed by CCPA, and they have the right to do so. Second is, when it comes to the furnishing of additional document, that this particular communication will not be quashed and it will be continued, in the sense that now Ola Electric has to provide the additional document in the ongoing CCPA probe that will also be in a continuing process. Third thing that was mentioned by Ola Electric Council, that this particular development or the furnishing of additional document to the investigating officer will tarnish the image, will dent the repute, for which the High Court has said that it is not the case, this will not happen so. And High Court has also mentioned that till the investigation is on, no officer from CCPA side or even the investigating officer, they will not make any public statement.